In this video, I want to talk about how important it is to start detecting your small wins. We often wonder, things are not happening. Am I really moving ahead? Is there any progress? How am I going to make it? This is what I want, and I'm still here. Lot of self-doubt, lot of question marks, and more particularly when we see people around us running ahead, talking about it, we're just wondering, what am I doing? Happens. So that's where it becomes very, very important that we start to detect those small wins. Let's talk about it in this video. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, if you think you are not making any progress, hold on. If you've been putting efforts, there is absolutely no way that you're not making progress. अक्सर प्रॉब्लम वहाँ आती है जब हम उस प्रोग्रेस को समझ नहीं पाते हैं, हम उसको डिटेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, हम 1 इंच आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, 2 इंच आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, उसको हमें लगता है दैट इज नेग्लिजिबल, दैट इज नॉट इवन प्रोग्रेस. हमारी डेफिनेशन प्रोग्रेस की क्या है वो चेक करिए. और एक्चुअली अगर आप वरीड रहते हो, आप एंशियस रहते हो, आपको यही स्ट्रेस होता रहता है कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ, कुछ हो भी रहा है, मेरे साथ चीज़ें नहीं बदल रही हैं, मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा हूँ, दैट इज़ वेयर यू नीड टू really start looking at very I would say consciously, with full awareness, start looking at what is the difference, what is the shift. Have I really not made any shift? Okay, so if I have in the last meeting I stood up and put across my viewpoint in front of the entire team, which was something I've never done before. Now, isn't that progress? Isn't that a small win? Yeah. Now, you may say, everybody has been doing it. If I've done it, what's the big deal? Well, it is a big deal. It is a big deal because that was a barrier that you have overcome, that you've gone beyond. Everybody was doing it because for them it wasn't a big deal. For them it was about doing it, but for you there was something holding you back. There was a belief that was limiting you, और आपने उसके beyond जाके वो एक progress की. So you stood up, you spoke, right? The next time when you speak, it's going to be even better, right? The third time is going to be fabulous, maybe. Yeah, you'll be more confident. There won't be any anxiety. The fourth time, maybe you're making the presentation there. The fifth time, maybe you're making the presentation to the client. Right? So, but that excitement and that sense of making progress is going to come when you learn to detect those small wins. That, hey, today I spoke in front of a crowd of 5 people, my teammates. I just stood up and I voiced my opinion. Right? I hope this is making sense to you, because I see a lot of us living in this whole world that, I'm stuck and things are not moving for me. I think you really need to pause. It may not be a progress or a win directly relating to your work. जरूरी नहीं है आप X चीज चाहते हो और हर प्रोग्रेस, हर वो छोटा छोटा विन जो है वो डायरेक्टली उससे रिलेटेड, राइट? कई बार चीजें पेरिफेरी पे भी होती है, कई बार चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो इनडायरेक्टली कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही हैं आपकी प्रोग्रेस में. इट इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू हु यू वांट टू बिकम, सो दैट यू आर एबल टू अचीव व्हाट यू वांट, राइट? बिकॉज जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हो उसके लिए सेम आप जो हो वो तो उसको अचीव नहीं कर सकता. You've got to change. You've got to become a somebody for you to be able to achieve that. This small win, if not directly related to aid, may still be contributing into who you are becoming, who you want to become. So just get aware and start detecting. और एक और चीज इससे ये होगी, एक तो आपको पता चलेगा कि yes, I am making progress and it is massive. It's not easy. The other thing will be you'll be happy. You'll be happy. It's very, very important to have that sense of self-worth. And that will happen only when you're making efforts and then you're also detecting, hey, I made this effort and here is a small win. Let me celebrate this. Right? So I hope you found this meaningful. If you're not doing it already, please start doing it. It is important for your success, right? What are those little wins? You've got to detect them and you've got to celebrate them. Okay? Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done already. Bye-bye.